Amongst the new trends that are happening in clinical trials, apart from, of course, bioequivalent studies in healthy volunteers, Syngene is also able to do what is called as phase 2, phase 3 clinical trials. And what we are seeing is progressively the entire clinical trial model is being revamped, as they call it, virtual clinical trials. Traditionally, a phase 2, phase 3 clinical trial had an investigator site, had a doctor, had patients who would come from about 50, 60, 100 kilometers around that tertiary care hospital, get treated, all the documentation would happen. But in virtual clinical trials, what we expect to happen is doctor, pharmacy, and evaluations will go to patient's home. As everybody through the pandemic now knows, working from home has become a norm. Similarly, clinical trial at home or at office is going to be the new norm, where the doctor investigator site will go to the patient rather than patient coming to the site. And because of the wearable devices, remote access to the patient's assessment, that is something that we will see happen in the coming months and years. And that is going to be the new norm. It is important for generic pharma manufacturers who are either working on their 505(b)(3) or ANDA programs to really move away from transactional model to partnering model with their CROs. One, when they share more data, their plans, their overall development programs and filing schedule with the CROs, we as a CRO can work with our customers in prioritizing, designing the projects in such a way that they can meet their timelines. Syngene is also uniquely positioned from the generic pharma industry perspective because of its integrated model. In our development services, we have chemical development, analytical development, formulation development, and clinical development all put together under one umbrella. Generic pharma companies can partner with us for formulation, also work and explore their various prototypes quickly through our clinical development. And we can really offer a seamless integrated model where formulation development, clinical development for generic products can happen quickly, and allow our customers to make decisions of which formulation to take forward to, and how to progress with their development pipeline quickly. Because of our long experience in doing clinical trials and our access to healthy volunteers, our regulatory track record, and our strong expertise in conducting GCP compliant trials, we can really quickly adapt to your needs and make sure that your studies are prioritized when we partner as a preferred arrangement with our generic customers.